Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Andile. I'm a founder of a brand called Loffer. I started the business because of, as we know in South Africa, most of us youths, we struggle with work, employment. So I started a brand called Loffer to say, Vuka, mawuhlele khoneni uyabona. Yeah. So the brand is called actually a person, an unemployed person. I'm a fashion designer. I produce clothing from your wedding, your tradition, your urban, your uniforms. Currently what I have, this is a short pen. Summer, this is a summer one for swimming. We can also use it for swimming. It's called Loffer. Then here we've got ladies jacket. This is a full suit. I just left the skirt of it. And this is the cap that we have made also, called Loffer. Then we've got our winter jackets. Our winter jackets, they are also reversible. I would like to demonstrate. So you're buying two products for a price of one. Get hold of me at 076 4685 228. You can get me also. I've got a Facebook page called Loffer Wear on Facebook. That's where you can get contact. Yeah. Hi. Hi, my name is Andile Mawele. I'm a township entrepreneur.